Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Okay, how to become a teacher? A lot of people have asked me this. Well, I'm sure that things have changed 11 years ago when I became a teacher. When I became a teacher, you had to have your bachelor's, which I'm pretty sure you still have to have a bachelor's now. And my bachelor's was in psychology, had nothing to do with math. But if I can prove to pass the math exams that I need to teach junior high and up, it was sufficient. And then you get into a credential program, which back in my days, the district that I wanted to be in, they had an actual free program because back in those days they needed teachers, especially math and science. Still now, math and science is the most in demand, but with all the cutbacks and everything, well, we have a little bit of issues now, but math and science is still always usually in demand. So in those days, I went into a district program where it was free of charge. The first year, you're full-time in school doing your credential program. Your second year of finishing your credential program, you're already placed out of school. You're already teaching. It's your first year of teaching. You're getting paid full-time as a beginner or as a starting teacher with the starting salary. And you're going to class once or twice a week and doing papers and all this stuff. And then you finish and then you get clear from your credentials because you're like, it's called your preliminary credentials when you barely start, but you haven't finished your credential program. So that's how it was back in my days. I'm not sure what's the process now. And I'm sure if you're going to a different district or a certain district, you have to check the requirements with them. If you're going to a charter school, I'm sure you need to check their requirements with them. If you want to go into a private school, I'm sure there's different requirements. But just know that if you want to do elementary, that's a separate credential. Then if you want to do junior high or high school or college, that's a whole different credential. So you need to make sure and know what grade level you want to teach, and then what is the credential that you need for that, because for elementary it's multiple credentials. For junior high and high school is single credential, so you get like single subjects. So like me is math foundation grade to like college beginning, algebra 1, geometry. So that's what it is. And then of course you apply and they interview you to go into school, and then they either hire you or they don't, and then you keep looking. So that's what it is. Okay, guys, I hope it helped. If it didn't, you do your own research. Just kidding. Comment, subscribe. Ahí estamos. La Arriba, la Vida. Teaching time now. Happy Friday. Bye.